up, YouTube? It's your girl Brooklyn, and I'm back at it with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing my eyebrow tutorial. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. I'm gonna show y'all what products I use, how I do my eyebrows, and hopefully it can help some of you guys out. I got my hair braided because yeah, this is a very low maintenance, easy hairstyle, get up and go hairstyle, and that's really what I've been needing, just a get up and go, because I've been working out and I've been doing like 100 other things. So I just needed an easy, low maintenance hairstyle. So yeah, I got my hair braided and I also got my eyelashes done. Lash by Ken on the lashes on Instagram. I will link her page in the description box. She has a special going on right now, a back to school special and a 1-year anniversary special. So be sure, if you want your lashes done in the Baton Rouge area, be sure to go to her page, click the link in the bio, and schedule your appointment. I'm telling y'all see these lashes? Like, I promise y'all do not want to miss this sale. Y'all see these lashes? I'm just saying. I'm only telling y'all don't want to miss the sale. Lash by Ken on the lashes. Okay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Chocolate. With the dip brow, you don't have to use a lot. You could use a little bit and work your way into it, because when you use a lot, it will come out dark and you will have to start over if you don't like it. So I like to take a little bit and start off slow. I start off by outlining the bottom of my eyebrows first into the desired shape. So, and I don't start all the way at the beginning. I start about in the middle. And I take it and I brush upward. I don't make the angled end until I'm ready to make the angled end. So just take it and then I brush and blend it. And now I'm gonna do the angled end. And this time I took a little bit more pomade because you want them to be a little bit darker towards the end. When working with this, don't be afraid to mess up, because when you go back with the concealer, you will be able to clean up any mistakes with the concealer. So once I got the top and the bottom, I go back in and I fill in the gaps. And I work real slow when I'm doing this. You don't need to take a lot of product at one time. Just go real slow, because you don't want them to be too dark. So at the front, you just brush them upward and to make them look like actual hairs. Okay, and then you just go back with the brush and brush through any of the harsh products. And you brush your hairs in an upward motion. And if you see any little spots, like this little spot, you just go back in and fill it in. Okay. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So when doing my eyebrows, I have this small slip up right here, and you never want to try to go and try to wipe it with your hand because it's really going to smear it and it's not going to really do much. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Rimmel London medium lightweight coverage concealer. So it looks like this in the color light. So I just take a little bit of concealer and place it on my hand, the back of my hand. And you want to use a concealer that's a little bit lighter than your skin tone. And even if it is a little bit more lighter than that, I'm going to show y'all how to fix that. And I like to start from the front of the eyebrow and work back. So after you get it, you want to start taking the concealer and going in a downward motion. So you don't have any harsh lines. So after I do one eyebrow, I take a clean brush and I just buffer out the concealer. And you want to do it one eye at a time. So don't do this one and then go conceal the other one. You want to do it and you want to immediately buffer it in because concealer does dry very quickly. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. So these are the bottom of my eyebrows. So next we're gonna do the top of my eyebrows. And for the top, I take a concealer that's almost my shade. I'm just gonna take it and outline the top of my eyebrows. So just outline it and then you just brush upward to blend out the products. I'm gonna go in with the brush as well and buffer out the concealer. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, except this side we have to correct something. Okay, so this is my eyebrows once I have done both sides. After all of that is complete, I like to take this brow mascara by Maybelline. Basically it is a gel and it looks just like a mascara, and you put it on your eyebrows as if you were applying mascara to your eyebrows, and it's gonna lock your hairs in place. And you want to brush your hairs upward into the shape that you want them to remain in. I'm going to take my Neutrogena BB Cream as before. And I'm going to close my eye and you're just going to rub it underneath. The last final step I like to do, if I feel that my eyebrows are still too dark for my liking, I take my face powder. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal True Match face powder in the color Warm, and I'm gonna take my face brush. I'm just gonna apply the face powder literally on top of my eyebrows. So if your eyebrows come out super dark, just apply face powder or any type of powder that you use on top of your eyebrows, and it's gonna lighten them up and make them look more like your eyebrows. So this is what my eyebrows look like when they're finished. So this is how I do my eyebrows when I'm getting ready to go somewhere or when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, eyebrows is a big trial and error. You're gonna do them and you're gonna mess them up, and you're gonna do them and you're gonna mess them up, and you're gonna do them and you're gonna mess them up 100 times before you get them right. So if you just keep practicing, then you're gonna get them the way that you want them to be. So I watched YouTube videos. That's how I originally learned how to do my eyebrows. So watch a ton of videos. Just watch videos and just do what they do. And eventually you're gonna understand and you're gonna be able to get them the way you want them to be. Just watch videos. But your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So they're never gonna look the exact same. So you wanna get them as similar as possible. You don't want them to try to look exactly the same, because they're never gonna look like that. So you just wanna get them as similar as possible to what you want them to look like. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell so you get a notification every time I post on my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.